The Panasonic LUMIX G9? The Nikon Z5 or Olympus EM10 Mark IV? Perhaps the Canon EOS RP or the Sony Alpha A6400? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 budget mirrorless cameras for beginners available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras for beginners. The 5th product on this list is the Olympus EM10 Mark IV. Looking for a camera that's light, compact, and stylish, ready to capture your most important moments? Look no further. This camera features a whole range of advanced hardware despite its entry-level price. It has a 16.1 megapixel 1-inch backside illuminated complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, in-body 5-axis image stabilization capable of compensating 4.5 shutter speed steps, 8 gigabytes of internal memory, 1080-pixel video recording, and many other useful features, with creative and artistic shooting options as well as dedicated selfie modes capturing those memorable moments in a breeze. But that's not all. This camera combines the power of professional digital imaging technology with the convenience of smartphone connectivity. Its compact body goes with you everywhere, so you never miss a shot. Get closer to your subjects than ever with the versatile hybrid touchscreen and front flip-down monitor, and stay connected with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We love the intuitive shooting and fast autofocus, all packed into a sleek, stylish, and highly portable design. Plus, with a steady 20.4 megapixel 4/3 sensor, you can capture high-quality images and enjoy fast, accurate autofocus performance. A low-light sensitive shooting mode brings out intricate details in shadowed subjects, while the LCD monitor features a 3-way tilting design for easy selfies or group shots. And with the beefed-up zoom, you'll get crisp, clear shots of your subject from great distances. This impressive little device works seamlessly with your smartphone, allowing you to transfer photos and videos directly over Bluetooth, so you can show off your snaps instantly. Plus, the sleek mirrorless design is easily interchangeable, so why wait? Get your hands on the perfect camera for capturing all your most important moments today. Its pros are: it provides excellent image quality and resolution from the updated sensor in both JPEG and RAW. It has an attractive form factor, excellent handling, and simple controls. And it has a built-in image stabilizer good for smoother video recording. However, its autofocus performance is not up to fast action shooting. The Olympus EM10 Mark IV is a well-priced unit that offers versatile controls that make it easy to switch from shooting stills to video on the fly. It won't let you miss an opportunity, whatever the subject. Up next in 4th place is the Sony Alpha A6400. Looking for a camera that can keep up with your creative needs without breaking the bank? Look no further than this full-frame mirrorless wonder. With extraordinary speed and accuracy, it's perfect for all your vlogging, photography, and filmmaking needs. Featuring an expansive 24.2 MP advanced photo system Type-C XMOR, complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, 425 phase or 425 contrast detection points, and fast 0.02 second autofocus, this camera is like a superhero with X-ray vision. Its signal-to-noise ratio is boosted by up to 5 times compared to the previous generation, so you can capture stunning shots with reduced noise and low light and fast continuous shooting rates of up to 11 frames per second. But that's not all. With motion detection and real-time eye autofocus, you can lock on to fast-moving subjects with ease. Say goodbye to blurry photos of birds in flight or athletes running across grassy fields. And with the ability to create time-lapse movies, slow-motion videos, or 3840 by 2160 pixels movies with stunning detail, the sky's the limit. Plus, this camera is compact, lightweight, and mirrorless, so it blends power, performance, and portability like a boss. And with highly customizable settings, you can create movies or stills that can keep up with your creativity. The camera can be used in landscape and portrait orientations with its flippable LCD touchscreen, and its tiltable design makes it easy for vloggers or those who want to record footage for a professional film. In short, this mirrorless camera is the ideal companion for action photographers on a budget who demand fast response times without compromising on quality. So go ahead, capture the world in all of its glory with this outstanding camera. Its pros are: its advanced photo system Type-C format delivers a solid balance of size, image quality, and depth of field control. It includes an in-body pop-up flash, an electronic viewfinder, and a hot shoe, and it offers access to memory recall, which lets you recall one of 3 saved banks of settings. However, only the full-frame lenses are weather-sealed. The Sony Alpha A6400 gives your videos professional cinematic sound quality while filming. It's the fastest ever, with an articulated flip-out touchscreen and built-in Wi-Fi, giving you more creative control than ever. Still haven't found a budget mirrorless camera for beginners that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Canon EOS RP. This device brings together superior image quality, user-friendly controls, and seamless connectivity, all packed into a remarkably lightweight, portable, and, most importantly, affordable package. With its full-frame 26.2 megapixel complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor and a powerful digital imaging integrated circuit 8 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality and color accuracy for both still photography and video recording. Plus, it's equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy, enabling you to transfer photos wirelessly to nearby devices like smartphones or tablets, for easy sharing with friends and family. But that's not all. This camera is also compatible with Canon's range of re-image focus mount lenses, which provide the coverage and imaging characteristics of a 35mm lens with a shallow depth of field, perfect for those who love creative photography. This camera is perfect for enthusiastic photographers, vloggers, and filmmakers who want professional quality imagery. We're particularly impressed by its ability to shoot at an impressive 14 frames per second at full resolution. It's an all-in-one imaging tool that delivers professional performance in a compact and lightweight body. Say goodbye to mediocre cameras and hello to the one you've been dreaming of. This mirrorless camera is a revolutionary product that features a full-frame sensor, state-of-the-art screen, and Wi-Fi capabilities all in one. With this camera, you can create high-quality Full HD video logs from anywhere in the world. It's the perfect compact and portable device for capturing stunning photos and videos, designed to unleash your creativity. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or anything in between, this camera is here to make you look like a pro without needing to take out a new loan. Its pros are: it is compact and lightweight, yet still solidly built. It has a 26 megapixel full-frame sensor that offers very good overall image quality, and it has front and rear control dials, a 4-way directional button, and a large articulating display with a responsive touchscreen panel. However, the SD card slot is located in the battery compartment, which makes it tricky to get to if you run out of storage space mid-shoot. The Canon EOS RP is your gateway to a new world of creativity. It offers great value for money and enables photographers to take images that capture every minute detail with stunning resolution. The second product on this list is the Panasonic LUMIX G9. Even with its relatively low cost, this camera is an absolute powerhouse that captures clear and detailed photos with minimal noise. Its 0.3 megapixel sensor is capable of shooting 80 megapixel images in high resolution mode, while the 20.3 megapixel sensor produces true-to-life photos that can be printed in large sizes. The nano surface coating ensures smooth focusing and accurate tracking, so you can snap only the best pictures. You'll also love the outstanding performance of this camera, with crisp 60 frames per second video recording and dual IS 2.0 image stabilization system that captures every moment at the push of a shutter button, even in low light conditions. Plus, it's weatherproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof, so you can shoot in any conditions without worrying about your equipment. One of our favorite features is the 180-degree swiveling organic light-emitting diode viewfinder with 2360K dots, which offers more comfortable monitoring than ever before. It reproduces original colors and brightness for a 100% field of view that feels true to life. This camera is perfect for photographers who shoot fast-moving subjects in sports like football, soccer, and volleyball. You can capture still images and videos with beautiful detail, dynamic contrast, and rich colors. With ultra-clamping technology that allows you to track a subject even when its movement exceeds what other cameras can handle, you won't miss a single shot. In short, this camera is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. It combines exceptional performance with durability and ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. Its pros are: its enhanced JPEG processing produces better color, contrast, and detail, its continuous shooting at up to 60 frames per second with an e-shutter, and it has an in-camera high-resolution composite mode that generates up to 80.6 megapixel images. However, it does not offer a vlog, 10-bit video, or .movie file recording, which may be an issue for some. The Panasonic LUMIX G9 offers you the ability to create stunning photos using the latest imaging technology at a reasonable price point. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top budget mirrorless camera for beginners is the Nikon Z5. Elevate your photography game with the Nikon Z5, the best value camera on the market for capturing stunning photos and videos with ease. Its compact size makes it perfect for shooting anywhere in the world, while its powerful 24-megapixel full-frame sensor ensures every detail is captured. Plus, with built-in VR image stabilization, your photos and videos will always be sharp and smooth, even in challenging lighting conditions. The Nikon Z5's multiple 273-point autofocus system works across all camera modes, allowing even beginners to track fast-moving subjects like people, cats, and dogs with ease. And with a full range of creative features built in, including time-lapse and multiple exposure modes, you'll have endless opportunities to unleash your creativity when shooting stills or videos. What sets the Nikon Z5 apart from other cameras is its automatic mode, which ensures your photos come out great in any lighting conditions, without any need for editing. And with special modes like focus shift or time-lapse photography, you can create stunning images without any extra effort. We also love the camera's ability to capture a wide range of detail and realism, while its fast continuous shooting of up to 16 frames per second opens up endless possibilities for capturing amazing shots. Plus, the 5.6mm ultra-wide-angle lens adds versatility to the stunning 0.80 times unique magnification viewfinder. Last but not least, the Nikon Z5's tiltable display can be rotated 180 degrees for selfie shots in either portrait or landscape orientation, or flipped into a tablet for easy editing on the go. With its powerful combination of speed, accuracy, and precision, the Nikon Z5 is the only camera you need for shooting crisp, detailed photos and videos no matter where you are in the world. Its pros are: it rapidly locks onto subjects, and it supports face and eye detection for both people and pets. It includes USB-C for transfer and charging, a mini HDMI video output, a proprietary accessory port, and 3.5mm jacks for headphones and microphones. It incorporates internal seals around potential points of ingress, keeping dust and moisture from getting into the camera. And it includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi with the free download for Android and iOS handsets, copies photos to your phone for social sharing, and doubles as a wireless remote control, complete with a view from the lens. However, it isn't compatible with aftermarket flashes and triggers. The Nikon Z5 is the ideal camera for new and experienced photographers on a budget who demand beautiful detail and clarity in their shots. It features an incredible new image sensor and an all-new autofocus system that lets you capture perfect images without compromise. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.